Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats because ChatGPT is about to blow your mind with some next-level information. Say goodbye to outdated responses and hello to the most up-to-date answers, thanks to our new WebChat GPT extension. That's right, folks, you can now experience the internet like never before, with all the latest updates and web information at your fingertips. It's like being a tech-savvy superhero, with the power to answer any question with ease. And the best part? You don't even have to put on a cape. Just sit back, relax, and let the mighty ChatGPT do all the work. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get informed with WebChat GPT. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials, and most importantly, stay curious, my friends. Alrighty, folks, let's get this party started. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you hooked up with WebChat GPT, the superhero of all chatbots. Step 1. Fire up the Chrome browser like a boss and make your way to the Chrome Web Store. Don't worry, we won't judge you for opening 20 other tabs before you get there. Step 2. Now, in the search bar, type WebChat GPT like a pro and hit enter like a champ. Time to give those fingers a workout. Step 3. Look for the official WebChat GPT extension. Hint, it'll be the one with the fancy description box, so make sure you don't end up downloading the mysterious chatbot from your crazy ex. Step 4. Ready for this? Click on the Add to Chrome button like it's a red buzzer on a game show and you're about to win big. Step 5. Follow the instructions on your screen like a kid trying to build a Lego castle. You got this, buddy. Step 6. The moment we've all been waiting for. Once the extension is installed, you're ready to be the king of chatbots. Now, open the WebChat GPT extension and bask in its glory by clicking its icon in the Chrome toolbar. Let that chatbot know you're the boss by giving it a question or instruction, and just like that, you're on your way to tech-savvy greatness.